everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you on what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 4th to the 6th of December 2023 on Monday. Sibongile is saying when he walks in on Wednesday reading his letter officially asking for Nomalanga's hand is marriage. Velepi thinks it was Zek's plan all along to control her when he wanted her to move in with him. No for no reasons with the Peteni to give to Sile her job back on Tuesday. Nomalanga is not pleased with the length Trina is going to get rid of Sibongile, but Trina reminds her that she is doing it in Nomalanga's best interest. Velepi accuses Asanda of deceit and wanting Zeix all to herself on Wednesday. Vuma is heartbroken when he finds out about Sibongile and Gwenzo's kiss from none other than Ntombela. Zeix continues to set draconian laws for Velepi to live by and physically threaten her. Tulisile separates Peteni into letting her have a job back. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.